Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. Today I'm back with another Costco haul. So we waited until the new month's sales came out so we could do our shopping, and we did a massive haul. This is probably the biggest haul we'll ever do, hopefully. But let me take you down to the counter and I will show you what we got. So here is an overview of everything that we got for a total of $276. Crazy. So let me start with this. This is like all of our non-food items basically, which was clothes. That's why it was so expensive. So here's this whole stack here, and I separated it out from my boyfriend's clothes to my clothes. So this is, and I will try to put up prices. I might have lost my receipt. So if I did, I'm sorry, I can't put up the prices, but this is just this nice blue polo that he got. I believe most of the clothes prices were $12.99, and then there were quite a few things that were like $3 off. So they were on sale. He got this nice flannel. This was one that was on sale, so it was $10. He got these pair of joggers. I think these ones were on sale. I can't remember. And then he got this, I think it's like a 3/4 zip. This nice 1/4 zip, like pullover jacket sort of thing. And then I got a pair of joggers here. And then I got this cardigan. This one was $14.99. Like I said, I'll try to pop up prices if I remember, but I don't believe, I might have lost my receipt. I can't find it as of right now, but here's all the clothes. And then going to drinks, we got this massive thing of Gatorade, and I'm gonna move to this side. It's a 28 pack of 12-ounce bottles, and there is the Cool Blue, the Glacier Cherry, and the Fruit Punch. They had a different pack, and it was like 4 less bottles. It was a 24 pack, and there was like, it was like $5 more or something stupid. So we picked up these. We like these 3 flavors. We picked up Coke. This is my boyfriend's drink of choice. There's 35 cans in this. So this will definitely, hopefully last us a month, if not 2 to 3 weeks. I picked up this Dr. Pepper. This is my drink of choice. This is a 36 pack. I believe this one was $1 cheaper than this one. And this one was like 10 something. That was 11 something. Moving up here, we got these muffins. And these are the 2-pack, I believe for $7.99. So last time we got 2 of these, the double chocolate muffins, but we saw these last time, and so we decided to pick these up this time. And these are the coffee cake muffins. All right, so making my way back around, I was helping my boyfriend with something, so I can't remember where I left off. I think I left off over there on the muffins. Also, he got the receipt, so I will be adding prices. Yay. Got this. This is an 18 count of chocolate milk. My boyfriend loves chocolate milk. It's just a low-fat 1%. Darigold is a super good brand. And he would buy those sometimes at a little market, and like he walks over there from work on his break. So this is going to be a much cheaper option for him. We got this. We wanted it the last time, and then we just like didn't pick it up for some reason. So we've been talking about it. And so this is the organic avocado ranch chopped kit with creamy avocado ranch dressing. I think we'll probably just add some chicken to this, and this will be like one hearty meal for the both of us, or we could do it as a side. We normally do just like salad kits on the side, but this is a massive one, so we'll see. So moving on to the ranch, we picked this up. I believe it was on sale, like for like $3 off or something like that, so we picked that up. We got this. I really wanted ground beef, but they only had it in this like massive package, or they had like the organic one, but it was like $6 a pound. That's way too much. So we'll just be picking that up on a regular basis, but that was one of the things I wanted for our monthly trip. This was $21.81 for 3.36 pounds of this top sirloin. So we picked up that. We picked this up. This is a cooked sticky white rice. This is going to take us so long to go through. There's 8 bowls here. We love making homemade sushi at home. And like prepackaged stuff isn't like the best, but we like using this for that, or just like small portions. I hate making rice. I'm really not good at it. Don't know why. I just can never figure it out. So picked that up. This was something else that we saw the last time, and I was like, no, we should be like healthier. And then this time we saw them, we're like, okay, yes, we're gonna get them. And there's 10 Stay Fresh packs, so this will last us forever, but it's a nice like size as compared to the bigger ones. So I feel like with 2 people, that's like more manageable. Snacks, I grabbed this. This is the Nature's Bakery oatmeal crumble. The Nature Bakery bars are good by themselves. They're kind of like fig bars, but these are so good, and I've been buying them on an individual basis. At my Winco, they sell just like 1 bar at a time. And I love, love, love the apple ones. I think I tried the strawberry. I can't remember, but it tastes almost like a little mini apple pie. Like, it's so good. I know it's probably not healthy, even though it says organic. Like, it's probably got a crap ton of sugar. Let's see. Yeah, 14 grams is quite a lot for a little bar, but it is just so good. And I love having things like this on the go. So I picked that up. I picked up this. This was also on sale. I saw it in the ad and I had to pick it up. And they are Pyrex glass mixing bowls and with lids. So let me move this out of the way. It's a 4-pack of bowls with the lids, and I think it was like $10 or something. It was such a great deal. So I'll put the price on it, but picked that up. And then picked up this Dove. Last time I was there, I took a picture of this to price compare it with what I pay for at Walmart, and it's a good deal. Normally at Walmart, I think I get like a coconut or like a flowery whatever one, and this is just like the regular scent, but I love the Dove Advanced Care. So picked that up. And then moving on to this, we got some bell peppers. We've been loving bell peppers, and I think on the menu this week, I want to do like a, what is that called? A Philly cheesesteak sandwich and fajitas, I think is what we want to do this week. And we love it for breakfast and all that stuff. We love peppers, so I picked that up. These are some of our favorite potatoes. It's this Little Potato Baking Company, or the Little Potato Company. This is the Dynamic Duo. These are so good. Cut them in half, throw them in the air fryer, in the oven, on the barbecue with some foil. They are so good. And so this will last us a really long time. If you watched one of my last Walmart pickup hauls, my Walmart grocery pickup, we got those and we just use them, and they're so good. They're so creamy and so easy. Such an easy thing for dinners. Picked this up. These are the flour tortilla in the burrito size, so this is a little bit bigger. And this is a twin pack here, and I believe it's resealable, like pouch packages on the inside here. So how many is in here? 40, I want to say. I mean, I don't know. There's, oh yeah, 220 count, so 40. We just picked up, I think, a 10 count this last week, and we love having breakfast burritos or regular burritos, or we'll go through these in no time. So we picked that up. And then last but not least for us, we picked up this rotisserie chicken. My boyfriend loves this, and we picked this up one of the last times we went. It's only like $5. It's so good. Like, it tastes good. There's so much meat on it. Such a great deal. And then included in that $2.76 are these 2 items, but these are actually for other people. Our Costco is about a 40-ish minute drive. And so when we got our membership, we like had told friends and family that we had it. And my boyfriend's coworkers asked him to pick up these things. So we picked up some beef hot dogs. This is a 3-pack for one of his coworkers. And then for his other coworker, we picked up some bone broth. He specifically requested like the bone broth kind. And he had said like chicken or beef. And they had this. So we picked that up for him. And that is everything. Way more money than we thought we were going to spend. $2.76. I definitely think this is going to be a monthly haul this time. Last time we went 1 week and then we went back the next week. But here, I'll show my face this time. But we went back that next week. But I think this is definitely going to be a monthly haul, especially with how much we spent. But we got our drinks for the month, so we're all set up on there. And I still have some of the sparkling ice from last time we went. We're still stocked up on the chicken from last time we went, so we are set. So we'll do probably another little fill-in haul, probably tomorrow, maybe, of just like some groceries for the week of like, we're out of milk, we didn't need that much milk and things like that. But that is everything. So if you liked this, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Tell me your favorite thing to get at Costco, because we just got our membership. This is only the 3rd time that we went. Tell me what you like, what's a good price. Tell me what's not a good price. Leave all the Costco comments down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!